was not cheating on my diet. The only thing I cheat on is you. I mean, I was cheating on my diet. I really, oh, I'm so terrible. I'm so horrible. Horrible. Hey guys, it's me and I'm back. Me, Miss Spicy X. And you are back on the Spicy X channel. Today we are going to be reacting to Orient Pearl, and this one is Cry in the Rain. Now this one is featuring Gio Alvarez. So, before we go any further, you know exactly what to do. Go grab something spicy from your fridge, from your pantry, come right back. And I was not cheating on my diet. I mean, my diet is Cheetos. So, where is my Cheetos? Huh? Okay, I'll give you 2 seconds. Stop asking questions. Shh, be quiet. 1, 2, let's go. I switched headphones and I was just checking to see if it's recording or if it's my headphones. So let's try that again. I like the sunglasses. I like those pants too. Very shiny. Oh, that's always awesome. Awesome guitar solo. Awesome guitar solo. Come on, go away. I don't like ads. I like these old recordings. And again, I noticed that you all did comment down below on my partying time reaction, and you said, oh, well, the reason why the guitars are not plugged in is because they did not want live performances back then, even if they were good, even if they were capable of doing it. They just didn't want it. It was what some of y'all have told me. And I can completely understand that. The company and the people running this they feel as if they can't afford a mistake. Because I know that every performance is not going to be perfect. Somebody's going to mess up. Sometimes when you have your finger, it's going to be on the wrong one. And then sometimes you can end up doing a pull-off by accident, an involuntary movement with your finger. Because I believe, like, there's times where it happens to me. For guitarists, you know, it's like your finger's not completely on the string. You end up sliding. You end up slipping. So you go, and then that could happen. Or, you know, a singer, like, say somebody who does whistle tones. Their voice just may not be, you know, into it that day. Like, they might be, but then their voice is like, no, I'm just gonna chill, and you're not gonna be able to hit that whistle, and you're gonna crack. And they don't want that, you know? And they just don't want any of that. So I can understand why they don't want live performances. Because, yeah, it happens during a guitar solo. You can either blank out if you're nervous, or you can end up, like I said, slipping. But other than that, I enjoyed that music so much. It was good. The lyrics were really good. The band's awesome. I really like the quality of, like, the old quality. It just, I don't know, something about old quality versus new quality. New digitally enhanced and old, just the old stuff, just to appreciate how old technology was back then. Do any of y'all appreciate the old technology that there was back then? Back in the 90s, we had VHS tapes. Do y'all remember? This looks like it would be off of a VHS tape. Man, those were good. Those were the times. Just pop it into your VCR, watch it, and we had this, you know, thing where you would have to rewind it back, show courtesy, whatever, you know. We had Blockbuster. But we don't have rental places anymore. Now it's just Netflix, Hulu, Amazon. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Very nostalgic, back in the day. I decided to do 2 today, well 3. I wanted to tell you where I've been and what I've been doing. Because I wanted to talk about it. Not that I had to, not that anybody you know, not that anybody's asking for any answers or demanding, you know, and that's okay. But it's just, I wanted to talk about it with you guys, so go watch that video. And also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, because I see that over 80% of you are still not subscribed to my channel. Come on, guys. And with that said, I hope that you all have a good day, and if not, I hope it gets better. And don't forget to eat something spicy because your mom told you to. Have a nice day.